Good morning, Acadiana. Abby Breidenbach, live here with Alton from Lafayette Fire Department. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good, thanks. And we're also here with Miss Bonnie. You are a volunteer with Sound the Alarm for Red Cross.
Correct.
All right, so this weekend, or not this weekend, today actually, you're going to be putting little door hangers like these on some homes in Scott because you have something coming up this weekend. It's part of your month or 4 weeks of Sound the Alarm.
Correct. Across the country, there's Sound the Alarm. American Red Cross intentions is to put 100,000 smoke alarms in homes across the country. And Lafayette is a signature city this year. It's our first time. So we're going to go into, over the 4-week period, we started last weekend with the wonderful Lafayette Fire Department and visited about, we had 500 homes designated. But over the 4-week period in Lafayette, Scott, and Broussard, we're going to go to 1,700 homes and knock on their doors and see if they need smoke alarms. So the week before, we put in a door hanger that tells them we're going to be there this Saturday.
Okay, and about how many homes are you looking to bring these to?
Well, this weekend there's a little over 300 in Scott. Last weekend we had 500. The week of May the 4th, Saturday, May 4th, with the Lafayette Fire Department, we have about 450, and in Broussard we have 580 homes designated. So we'll get into about 25 to 30% of those homes when the residents are home, and if they need their smoke alarms checked, or they need a new smoke alarm, or they don't have smoke alarms, we'll go in and install free smoke alarms with 10-year batteries. The fire department partners with us, and they usually do the installs, and we do escape plans with the residents. We'll draw their layout and tell them how to escape.
Okay, and why is it so important to have a working smoke alarm as well as an escape plan in a family home?
Well, anytime there is a fire in your home, smoke detector is your early detection device that you have to have. Everyone should have at least one working smoke alarm because this is where your life is going to be saved at. So we go in with them to make sure that it's working, installed properly, just in case you have a fire, because we never know. And most fires happen at night when you're sleeping, and this is going to wake you up.
And what about having that escape plan?
Very essential, because if you have young kids, you have to, number one, teach them what the sound is, because they don't recognize the sound. There's a lot of research, so you have to practice, and then draw the escape plans so your kids and your family know what to do in case there's a fire. You have to exit and exit quickly, because you have about 2 minutes to get out and get out safely.
Okay, so this is a huge deal for everyone to have ready in their homes. Now, if you either want a new smoke alarm and maybe need some help, or if you want to volunteer, where can they go?
Well, they can go to soundthealarm.org/Louisiana, or if it's simpler, just do redcross.org. Or they can call the Lafayette Fire Department, and they can help them also. We work together.
Great cause, and like you were saying to me earlier, people can go out and volunteer and still have time for Festival International this weekend, right?
Absolutely. We'll be at the Scott Fire Department at 8:30 for registration on Saturday morning. Training's about 8:45. Then we'll go out into the neighborhoods and install free smoke alarms. We did 161 free smoke alarms last Saturday with the Lafayette Fire Department and our partners, Home Furniture, and many other volunteer companies.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here with us this